It's finally here, the last day for free Windows 10 upgrades. It's now or never. Now, you either upgraded to Windows 10 a while ago, or you're holding off until the very last second, or you've sworn a blood oath that you will never upgrade, or, of course, the last option, you're stuck running Windows Vista. You poor thing. A fate worse than death. In case you were wondering what the heck I'm talking about, 1 year ago today, Microsoft made Windows 10 free as an upgrade to Windows 7 or 8.1, and now the clock has wound down. You have until 5:59 a.m. Eastern Time or 2:59 a.m. Pacific to claim your free upgrade. After that, it'll cost you $120, so at the very least, you might want to use your current genuine Windows key to install Windows 10 on a separate drive so you can decide if you want to upgrade later. Your keys for Windows 7 and 8 will work fine for installing Windows 10. You can also upgrade and then revert back, thus keeping the option of upgrading later. I just don't want to see you get left behind, okay? But in all likelihood, Microsoft might make it free again sometime in the future. I mean, they really want people on Windows 10, as those of you who have had to deal with their incessant pop-ups can attest. Now, on the other hand, waiting to fully upgrade might be a good idea. The Windows 10 anniversary update is scheduled to release on August 2nd, and it actually removes some things that Pro users might want. For one thing, you won't be able to disable Cortana anymore. You'll be able to restrict her features and access to your info, but she'll still be there, and she probably won't be happy about you doing that. The update will also reportedly disable some functions in the Group Policy Editor for Windows 10 Pro users, which has been used to block ads and disable built-in Windows Store apps like Candy Crush. And now, we have to play Candy Crush. It's pretty rude, Microsoft. And Nvidia has settled a series of class action lawsuits concerning false advertising for the company's hugely popular GTX 970 graphics card. We made an entire video about this issue when it happened, so you can click here to watch that, but basically, Nvidia claimed the card had 4 gigs of VRAM and 64 ROPs when it launched, but users discovered later that the card actually had one L2 partition disabled, bringing the amount of usable VRAM down to 3.5 and usable ROPs down to 56. It may have been the biggest scandal since Hillary Clinton's emails. Except this happened before that. So now US owners of a 970 get $30 each. Huzzah! A sweet, sweet 5 lattes worth of justice. It's time for
Quick Bits.
Well, that was slightly terrifying. We'll take it. Thanks for your submission, Red Cat. If you want to see yourself on Netlinked, send us a clip of yourself saying Quick Bits. Lenovo isn't about to let Xiaomi steal the MacBook Air clone spotlight, so it launched its own, the Air 13 Pro, with extremely similar looks and specs. Microsoft is cutting 2,850 jobs from its mobile division, so it looks like things are bleaker than ever for the Windows Phone market. Meanwhile, Sony just announced it turned a profit off of its mobile division for the first time in a while, mainly because it laid off enough employees to break even. Dang! I guess maybe don't go for a job in a big company's mobile division. In more uplifting news, China is preparing to launch a satellite that will enable more robust experiments in quantum entangled particles. If the tests are successful, they could lead to development of a super fast, super secure space internet that... did you zoom in on his face? You did that, didn't you? Speaking of China, Chinese company Acumen has announced the Holophone Phablet, a device that can run Windows 10 or Android Lollipop, strangely, and it's got a built-in projector to boot. Because why not? And great news for multiplayer Doom players. If someone in your party has purchased DLC, the whole party can play those maps, which is awesome. Who would have thought Doom would be a place to find a gleaming example of sharing and being nice? That's weird. News sources for all of today's stories can be found in the forum post linked in the description. So I realized just now that I didn't actually look up how to pronounce this at all, so I apologize. And I also apologize if it's offensive. I think it's something vulgar. Als je moet kaken, moet je kaken. And truer words were never spoken. Hey! You only have a few days left to enter our monthly Fans with Benefits giveaway. In case you don't know about it, every month we give away a new prize to one of our subscribers, and all you have to do to enter is comment on a video from that month. This month's prize is it here? We don't have it here right now. This month's prize is a SteelSeries Rival 300 optical gaming mouse and a QCK Plus cloth gaming mousepad. We'll announce the winners on Tuesday, August 2nd, since Monday is BC for us up here in British Columbia. Oh, and also there will be no Netlinked on Monday because of BC Day. So, sorry. Alright, that's it for Netlink Daily, guys. Thanks for watching. Click here to watch more videos. Follow the team on Twitter over here. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this from NCIX. Also, I'll be away next week, so do me a favor and hold down the fort for me, alright? Barret.
You're leaving me in charge?
Yes. I didn't know I was in charge. Apparently I am. Get back to work!
That doesn't work with me.
Oh, okay. Okay, bye, guys.